Now for the pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls with the maple cream cheese glaze, we're going to use the wet and dry method for the dough, which is going to be 180 milliliters or 3/4 cups of milk, 2 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 469 grams of all-purpose flour or 3 3/4 cups, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 3/4 tablespoons of salt, 1 whole egg, 1 egg yolk, whisk them together, 70 grams of unsalted butter softened, 92 grams of pumpkin puree, half a tablespoon of a vanilla extract. Now for the filling, we're going to need 112 grams of softened butter, unsalted of course, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 220 grams of light brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice, a pinch of salt, and 60 milliliters of heavy cream. That's for an optional pouring between the rolls. I'll get to that later. Now for the maple cream cheese glaze, we're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 90 milliliters of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, 195 grams of powdered sugar. We're going to sift it.